Welcome back to the Salesforce Federation and Reporting demo. For this video, we will focus on the configuration of EIQ superadapters. This is done through the EIQ Server configuration tool. Creating an EIQ superadapter involves registering a data source with the EIQ server and then pairing that data source with the appropriate EIQ index. Go to the Data Sources tab and select Add Data Source. Each data source with an index needs to be registered with the EIQ server. Enter the alias for the data source, a unique ID between 1 and 8, specify the correct connection type, and enter the name of the data source created in the ODBC window. Finally, enter the credentials for that data source. Now go to the EIQ Server Virtual Data Sources tab. Here we will create the VDS for each of the data sources using the EIQ index. Enter a name for the VDS and then set up the data source EIQ index pair. Select one of the registered data sources and then browse for the EIQ index built using that data source. Once you're finished, you can press OK. The last step in EIQ superadapter configuration is mapping the columns to a standard data view. A standard data view is a single table list of entities derived from a metadata dictionary that's based on a standard data model. It creates a standardized view that is easily read and translated across disparate data sources. Go to the Mapping tab and select one of the data sources. Right-click a column and select Edit to enter the metadata information. You can either enter a new column name or select an existing one from the drop-down menu. Map all of the necessary columns to the view. Generally, all columns in the EIQ index should be mapped to the standard data view, but for the tutorial, we've limited the mapping to what's needed. You'll want to perform the same mapping for the subsequent data sources. Make sure to use the same standard data view names for columns that have the same or similar data.